It's another voice tutorial with your host, Goosebumps Man! Yeah! Shit. Viewers beware, it's Goosebumps Man, and welcome back to another voice tutorial. Now, this was the only voice I've ever been requested to teach. So yeah, just let me know if you have any requests on what voices you want me to teach you how to do. So yeah, when I got requested to teach this voice, I did not know how to explain how to do it, so I had to do some research. And so, in this episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to do, as you saw in the intro, Kermit the Frog. So yes, I do have a Kermit puppet. I've had this puppet since 2 days before I was turning 10 years old. Hi, Kermit the Frog here. Not to forget, a CD with Kermit telling me happy birthday. So yeah, now I'm going to teach you how to do it. So, as I've heard from many voice tutorials on this voice, I was told that you have to feel like your throat is tightening. Now that I think about it, yeah, it does kind of feel like that when you're doing that. It's like kind of feel like your voice is your throat is tightening, and then you want to talk like him. So like, hi, Kermit the Frog here. You know, it's not easy being green. But yeah, if you have a Kermit puppet like I do, it's good to practice with it. Like, you could just look at it and just have it talk to you. Go like, hi, Kermit the Frog here. And be like, would that be how he says it? If you don't think so, then keep practicing until you think it's good. Although, if you do think it's good, then it's still a good idea to keep practicing. Because, you know, you might be able to lose it if you don't keep practicing. So yeah, like many voices, practice is important. Although, in the last tutorial, Donald Duck, you may remember me saying not to overdo it, because you can pass out if you do Donald. Although, with Kermit, you need your voice. You don't have to worry about passing out. So yeah, it's not a big deal. You can be able to do this voice without passing out. You know, Kermit is like because Kermit's got like a gentle voice. Although, you gotta make it feel like your throat is tightening. You know, just like that. And this is Kermit the Frog, and you want to say some stuff that he's said. And now for a special guest, Jack Black! Yeah! Yeah, that's from the Muppets movie that came out in 2011. Where the Muppets kidnapped Jack Black and had them as their celebrity host. I mean, Kermit wasn't there. He even thought it was a bad idea to be doing that. Well, you know, I'm very gentle. I wouldn't do anything bad. Yeah. Kermit does tend to be fun, and this is for the person that requested me to do this voice. Jenny, I'm sorry you're not going to be able to do this voice. Because, like, Kermit, he's one of the voices that only guys can do. Like, I'm not trying to be sexist or anything, but it's true. No matter what gender you are, you're only able to do certain voices that are in your range. And in my honest opinion, I think that female impressionists are more talented than us guy impressionists. Because what us guys can do are just man impressions, nothing else. While the girls, they can do child voices and girl voices. That's like they have like one more voice style than us. Like, they can do 2 different styles of voices, and we can only do one. Like, I'm not. It may seem like I'm mad, but I'm really not. I'm just impressed. Like, I honestly think that girl impressionists are more talented because they can do girl and child voices, while us, we can only do man voices and nothing else. So yeah, I got off topic. So yeah, remember, like, if you want to get the voice, make it feel like your throat is tightening. And then you'll be able to get the Kermit voice, and then you want to start talking like him. It's like, say some quotes that he's known for, like, Kermit the Frog here. And, it's not easy being green. This is not the way that puppeteers make their Muppets talk. They usually do it with, like, their jaw, but that's really hard for me. Although, like, the actual Kermit puppet is different from this one, because, like, I'm just sticking my hand in it behind his head. While I'm pretty sure, like, the actual puppeteer would be like, there'd probably be like a hole where his ass is, and you just stick his hand in there and, like, control his face, like his mouth, and usually their arms would be controlled with, like, I'm not sure what they're called, but they're like paper clips, except they're like also part rods, so you can't see the puppeteers' hands when they're moving their puppets' hands. But yeah, this puppet actually came from Build-A-Bear Workshop. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Well, shit, it doesn't say the year it was made. Oh well. Well, thank you guys for watching. I really hope that was helped you out and you're able to impress your friends. Yeah, remember, if you have a Kermit puppet, this is another good way to practice your voice. Your Kermit voice. You know what I'm saying? Although, if you don't have a puppet, that's okay. You can practice without a puppet. It's not like it's the end of the world or anything. But yeah, you can practice the voice with or without a puppet. But, like, if you have a puppet like I do, it's a good way to practice it, because you can look at it like, "Hey, Kermit the Frog here," and you can determine whether if that's how he would say it or not. But, yeah. Before I end the video, I would like to mention that the channel now has a TikTok. As you might have seen in the intro after the Snapchat logo. So yeah, make sure to follow me on TikTok. My Tik code is all over social media, except for my Twitch, because I can't really post that kind of shit. But yeah. With that being said, I really hope this helped you out. I hope you're able to impress your friends with your Kermit the Frog impression. And remember, let me know if you have any requests on what voices I should teach you how to do. I've been thinking about doing one for Daffy Duck, because not a lot of people know how to do a lisp. And to those of you that think that I'm talking about Donald Duck, no, I'm not. I already made a tutorial on Donald Duck. I'm talking Daffy Duck from the Looney Tunes. Not a lot of people know how to do a lisp. So, yeah. If you want to see a voice tutorial on Daffy Duck, let me know in the comments. Maybe that can be a request. Although, don't just request Daffy Duck, just give me any other requests. But yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. If it gave you goosebumps, please give that like button a slappy! And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye! I forgot to mention, I'll be leaving links to these videos as well as the voice tutorial playlist in the description. That's all I have to say right now, so Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.